Hey guys, sorry for the background noise. My dad is listening to some music. Uh, but look what bee I got. I got a legendary demon bee. Look it, right here, right there. Yeah, right there. And I'm really happy because it's a legendary. It's really hard to get, really hard indeed. But I'm not as excited. As getting the baby bee legendary because for the baby bee, it even says it doesn't really do much. So yeah, but the demon bee. Minus 25% boost rate, plus 50% energy, plus gather amount, plus 3 plus attack. Oh my god! And it's so legit. Look how cool that looks. Look how cool that looks. I'm just really happy. And also all of my friends who had birthdays on June. Happy birthday, Banana. Happy birthday to another friend that I have. And happy birthday to another friend I have. You already know what Banana is, but you don't know who the other two is. They're gonna be named Screw this. And the reason my avatar looks like a boy, is because my brothers usually play on my account, so that's why it looks like a boy, because they usually change the avatar. But look, I got it's right there, I'm so happy. And also happy 4th of July, everyone. And also happy birthday to my brother. His birthday's in July. So yeah. I hate him so much.